to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. My Lord's house, we're going on a road trip soon, and I wanted to show all the moms out there how I pack with having 3 toddlers now. I have a 1-year-old now, so I have a 4-year-old, a 2-year-old who's almost 3, and a 1-year-old. And I just kind of want to show you all my method of packing. I started this method with when I only had 2 kids, but I hope this helps you, and it helps me stay organized while I'm on the trip, along with just being stress-free when it comes to like their outfits, what they're wearing, making sure that I pack enough clothes and stuff like that, and how basically my Lord's house uses one suitcase to get everything. Basically how we put everything in one suitcase. So I hope this helps all my mamas out there. It's going to be kind of vlog style, kind of not. So it just depends on how I film each part of the packing. I'm also going to be doing a lot of other things to prepare for the trip. So I'm going to be cleaning. I want to make sure that I come back to a clean house. I'm also going to be doing some sewing and stuff like that. So I would love for you all to follow me along, and I hope that you can take some of the tips that I give you today. Okay, y'all, so I spent too much money on Starbucks, so now I have to make my own Starbucks. So just to kind of save money, and it really is a waste when you can do it at home. But what I'm doing now, I'm just brewing me some coffee with creamer and sugar, and I'm going to make an iced coffee. I'm just going to show you how I do that real quick. So there you have it, Starbucks at home. I'm homeschooling right now, but if anybody's ever wondering how I keep my 1-year-old busy while I'm doing homeschool, I just do random stuff. So this is like the bottle rack thing. We don't use bottles anymore, so I just put some markers in here for him to pull out and to push him back in there. And now he's chewing on one, but other than that, I just really do random stuff to keep my baby busy while I teach my 2-year-old and my 4-year-old. Benny, can you say shalom? Say shalom. Okay, say shalom.
Shalom, y'all. We're going to do some activities, and we're going to do we're gonna have to spell our ABCs and our numbers.
Okay, let me say shalom. This is another activity I do, but I have to watch him because he will try to put these in his mouth. But I just give him magnet letters on here and just let him stick them on and take them off. But I do have to kind of watch him. So, now for Eden. Eden, what are you doing right now?
I'm coloring my 7.
You coloring your 7, so you're doing your math.
And then I'm going to do my sight words.
Okay, yeah. After that, we got sight words and then science. So that's what we're
And
doing
I'm
with
going to do my science project.
A while. Yeah, we'll do science after that. But for Mishi, right now for him, he's just putting some stickers on a piece of paper because we're focusing on eating right now. Yep. What are you putting on your papers, Mish? What are those?
Sight words.
Those are not sight words. What are those? What is that?
Those are stickers.
Stickers, yeah.
On the purple.
I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of what I'm doing before I start my packing. I gotta get school out the way because if I don't, then they'll be doing school late or I won't be able to get through everything. So I want to go ahead and get through my school. But now Finney's throwing all of the letters on the floor. So that's his cue that he's doing. So this is what things turn into after a while. If y'all can see, this is real mom life, y'all. My 1-year-old is done. She's not focused. This is real life. So, Eden, what are you supposed to be doing? Focus on your sight words. You're on bye. Focus on bye. Make sure you sit down and finish the stickers. Finish your stickers. What kind of stickers you got now? Where'd they go? Is it nap time? It's nap time. Okay. I want to come out here real quick and show you what kind of sewing I got to do today. I see. Okay. All right, you already said shalom, baby. Then mommy. I want to come on here and show y'all what kind of sewing I got to do today. I never finished my Lord's blue and gold garment for Passover, so I got to finish it. So I have the body of the garment, which is here that I made, but I have to finish hemming his sleeve on this side. See, it's not done yet. And I also got to make his collar. So I got to try to mimic, eat it. So I got to mimic this collar here. One of the sisters made this garment for him like 5 years ago. So I got to go ahead and finish this collar. You see, it's just the cutout of here, but I gotta try to do this to this. So we'll see how it'll look. I did the boys' garments before Passover. I made me and my daughter's garments for Passover. There's some stuff I still want to fix on mine, but I think I might just leave mine alone and I gotta fix my son's collar up there, and then I gotta do my Lord's collar. So I just wanted to show y'all that because I am not any type of professional tailor or anything like that. I just started doing sewing, like sewing when it comes to garments, and it's definitely difficult. To me it is. I feel like it's just really hard trying to get things like perfect and seamless, and it takes a lot of patience, but I'm working on it. So I feel like the hardest thing for me is doing men's garments, because like, especially my Lord's, you try to level up to what he has in his head, and it's sometimes hard because I know, like for me, I know what I wanted for myself. I know what how everything I wanted things to fit on me. I know how I wanted it to fit on my daughter. When it came down to my Lord, it's just a struggle because it's like I want it to look exactly how he wants it to look. And that is something very hard. So if you have that talent, all praises for that talent, because it's definitely difficult to do. And I admire those who can just make garments like at the drop of a hat. But yeah, so pray for me, y'all. So I just got finished making a packing list. I always have to write everything down. That is the only way I function. So I made a packing list of things that I need to pack, what we need for each day, down to the littlest things. So I have here, we'll be gone for 6 days, I believe, Tuesday through Sunday. And I have 2 outfits for each day, for each person. And then I also have, we'll be there on a feast day, and we'll also be there for the Sabbath. So,
hi guys.
I also have us packing our Bibles, our Apocrypha. Eden, honey. We have us packing our Bibles, our Apocrypha, our notebooks, travel snacks, diapers, pull-ups, wipes. I do have one child who is currently potty training, so he's almost there, but I have to bring pull-ups just in case. Coloring books, markers, 1 toy for each child, 2 pairs of shoes for each person, a laundry bag, medicine bag, toiletry bag, face mask, and I can't think of anything else. But I usually do go through this list multiple times as I'm packing, and then I go through it.
Some juice cups.
Yeah, that's with
3
snacks.
Juice cups.
Yeah, we got your 3 juice cups, and then we have that with our snacks, our snack bag. Okay. A snack bag. Yes. Yes. Mishi wants to say shalom again.
Shalom.
Good job. They're playing with Play-Doh right now.
Shalom, y'all. We are going to go to Alicia, Okran, Nima, Nyla, Naira, Nissa, and Amana.
Okay. All right. So that is it. So the next thing you're going to see is me doing the actual packing. Okay. Y'all, wanted to quickly show you how I pack our the kids' clothes. So what I do is I use gallon slider storage bags. I got these from Target. I also use the jumbo storage bags for packing as well. So I use the gallon ones for toiletries and stuff that I don't want to get wet or damaged. So I use these for toiletries, and then I use the large ones for the kids' clothes. So I'll be putting 2 outfits in each storage bag, and it just helps with organization. It helps with packing, because I can always take the vacuum and suck the air out, and I can pack more clothes in each bag, in the suitcase I mean, and then it just helps whenever we get to the destination. I just pull the bag out. I'm like, okay, they're wearing this for this day, and I may even put like on each baggie day 1, day 2, day 3, and it's just gonna make my life easier. So I highly recommend you do this when you have to pack for vacation, for any of that stuff. So yes, that's the method I use. So if you're wondering, if I don't get to do film myself packing vlog style, if it's just like a voiceover, or maybe it's just music in the background, I just want you to know what I'm using and why I did it that way. Okay, family, so I'm back. I just wanted to do a quick haul over what I had to get from Target for our trip. So I got some soap for my Lord, some soap for myself, some travel hand sanitizer, some lotion, so we don't have to take our big container, some tissue. I also got a water bottle for Finney. He likes to drink out of the kids' water bottle, so I need to get one for him. Some pull-ups for Mishi. I also got some snacks for the kids. These are not the healthiest snacks, but hey, we're going to save money on the road with these snacks. So we got some Teddy Grahams, some Honest Juice, my Lure bars. I love these Lure bars. Blueberry breakfast bars, and some veggie straws. So that's just mainly for the kids. Me and my Lord will probably be the ones to maybe purchase something on the road, but other than that, this is just a small little haul of what I have, but everything else you'll see go into our gallon bags. 2.5 gallon bags and gallon bags. So for the gallon bags, I use that for head wraps and hair bows for myself and Eden. I put each of the kids, they have at least 4 outfits in each 2.5 gallon bag. Mishi's, Phineas, he has more than 4 outfits. He has about 6 outfits in there. And then I have a few outfits in here for myself. So I'm doing everybody's like that. And then I'm sucking the air out of them. And then I'm putting them in the suitcase. So, like I said before, this is going to help with, excuse my presence right now. This is going to help with organization, and then it's going to help whenever we get to our destination when we have to unpack and I need to find something quickly. Everybody's name's on it. Everybody's name is on it, and then it avoid items getting ruined, wet, all that, etc. So my battery's about to die, so now that I have everything packed, the next footage you will see will be a travel vlog. So you'll see us getting on the road. You'll see us on the road with the kids, how all the mishaps that happen, and that will be the next footage that you will see. So I hope you all follow me along on this little travel vlog. We're not going out of the country or nothing like that, but this is our first road trip with 3 kiddos. So I hope you all enjoy that. Shalom.